Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Edge Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Edge Wallet application on your device and you will be asked to log in using your PIN code or your biometrics. After logging in using your biometrics or your PIN code, you will be taken into your home page from which you can look at the various assets. Now, if you wish to receive Bitcoin from any user, you will need to provide them with your Bitcoin wallet address. So scroll down from the home page until you see Bitcoin or BTC. Then just tap on it and you will be taken into the Bitcoin page. From this page, just tap on the receive button and now you will be able to find the QR code for your Bitcoin wallet. You can either share this QR code by tapping on the share button, and you can also tap on the copy option, which will copy your wallet address onto your clipboard. Then you can simply share your wallet address with anyone who wants to send you funds, and then you will receive your funds within your Bitcoin wallet on the Edge Wallet application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your Bitcoin wallet address on the Edge Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.